Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Marvelous Marble, December 2022. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Skull Lover Nails and Polished Opinions. Our theme was yellow, blue, and silver. Today I'll be using my Painted Desert Extra Small Oval Nails. I've got the Maniology Sticky Base on them. And here is Scalpel by Bases Loaded Lacquer. I'm going to do that down as my base color. And I am going to put these tips on my nails when we get to the end of the video. Going to do a second coat of Scalpel. Beautiful silver polish that levels out. I'm going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get them to dry down. And this is Team JJ from July 2022, Rookie of the Month, Bases Loaded Lacquer. I'll be using that and Braves Diva, old one, Chicks Dig the Long Ball. And I've got my cup of room temperature water, and we're just going to start our bullseye. So I put the first drop in and run my toothpick around the edge of the cup to make the polish go all the way out to the edge and stick to the side of the cup, kind of to anchor my bullseye. And then I go back and forth using the two different colors. That yellow really pushes that open. Give the cup a little shake to make that open up a little bit. One more drop. There we go. Woof! There we go. And then another blue. And now for my drawing time. So I'm doing kind of like a petal, well, not a kind of like, I'm doing a petal design, just 4 petals. And then I'm going to swirl in a little bit on that side, and then a swirl over here. And then get ready to dip. I've got a little sticky tack on the back of my nail and a toothpick. This is totally different than how I normally do it, because normally it's on my finger. I'm going to use this toothpick to clean up the excess off the top of the water. You want to get all that up so you don't mess up your design on your nail. Alright. And then there is my design. And there we go. We're going to build up another bullseye. And I apologize if I sound completely sinusy and congested, because I am. And believe it or not, this is like way better than it was a couple of days ago. Tapping that cup, trying to get that one ring to spread a little bit. Here we go with some more. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love it. So I'm just doing like little twirly circles to the side of one side of the cup and blowing on the top of the water to get it dry real quick so I can get this all cleaned up off the top of the water. Oh yes, pretty, pretty. I like it like it's. Run that toothpick around the cup again and build another bullseye. This is so much fun for me. I love this. It's one of my favorites. Getting to water marble. Water marbling is my favorite. And I don't think that's a story or a lie or anything. I think it's for real. Alright. Oh, that one's still trying to spread. Alright, let's get on with it. I was just so excited about this one again because, you know, it gives me a chance to water marble. But I'm also going to do some stamping. So it's going to be like a double marble. It's going to be stamping marbled and water marbled, and just took it to a whole nother level. Get that cleaned up. Tap, tap, tap. There we go. I guess I'm just going to be all crazy and just share all of it today. normally I show you a couple of nails, you know, maybe not all of them, but we're just going with the flow. I have sped it up a little bit though, so it's not too bad. Give that cup a twist to make that, there we go, get that to open up a little bit. Giving it a tap tap. And I'm adding extra drops to this one because it's that little pinky nail. I wanted to make sure I could get enough of the colors in, you know, in that design for the little baby pinky nail. There it is. And I love how these all look different. I mean, I think that's the thing I like the most about the water marbling is you can try to make them the same, but they're not ever going to be exactly the same. Not like stamping. Alright. And there we have it. I'll be using the CADS Mini 025 today. And this is Maniology's pewter. Not computer, pewter. And I'm going to use just some different images off of this plate. Just kind of change it up. Trying to dig up all of my marble plates so that while I'm doing these Marvellous Marble collabs that I can, you know, work through all my plates. Because I'm drawn to them. I've bought them and been gifted some, and I've ended up with quite a few of them. So I'm going to try to make sure I use all of them at some point. We're just going to bebop along. So I should have a list of the other participants listed down in the description box, as well as a hashtag for you to go check out the other manicures over there on the Instagrams, you know, because I'm telling you, these girls knock my socks off with their manicures, and to see them all together with the same theme and everybody's looks so different, it's just so much fun. I just love it. Love it, love it. Digging it for sure. And our guest, you know, really want to thank Skull Lover Nails and Polished Opinions. Alright, so now it's time to clean up the stamping plate with some acetone and a little bit of wipey wipe with a lint-free wipe and my little mat and my card. Gotta get it all cleaned up. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Look, I'm telling you, they just take on a different look when they get top coated. And that's just the Maniology Smudge Free one. We got to get the big, thick, glossy top coat on next. But I really liked how these turned out. And I do love these little bitty extra short almond nails. I think they're cute. You know, because a lot of people can't wear the claws. So it's nice to be able to have a shorter version. Alright, we're going to top them with Sèche Vite. Getting the sides and the top, and of course we're going to have that free edge. There we go. And there's that little pinky nail. And these look like a hot mess, I'm sure, to some people, but I love the real abstract look of it. You've got, you know, the marbling underneath and then the top marbling, and just very fun. Very, very fun to me. And I am showing me topping all of these because that way you get a good look at each nail, because they're all different. You know, all got a little different thing going on with them. But be sure to go check out the other manicures over there on Instagram. Go show those other ladies some love. That one's pretty busy. Cute, cute though. I love it. Alright, so I've got my little glue tab on my nail, and I'm just going to mush that on there. And to wear these for extended, you definitely want to have them mushed down good. There's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.